Hello friends, this is Dr. Rohit Joshi, Chief Consultant Endodontist, Root Canal Specialist at Microdent Dentistry.
Hi, I am Dr. Kashmira Joshi, implantologist at Microdent Dentistry. We have seen nowadays that the era is changing and everything is going digital. So we decided to go ahead and increase our presence in this digital world. When we were discussing about it and we were working towards it, we came across Hemant from Hemworld.
When we first met Hemant, he has already customizable plan for microdentistry. He had strategies which were not only cost effective but market driven and result oriented. After a lot of discussions, we decided to do it with the Hemant.
His team is really efficient. They work effortlessly for your work and for your project. They go ahead and help you to answer all your queries, and they go ahead and send you the weekly report of data so that we can go ahead and plan the progress and work for the upcoming week.
He has not only helped in our ranking as well as he also helped in increasing our social media presence. Since last 2.5 years, we are working together. The team, Hemant himself, Harshada, Rosalie, Aarti and many others have helped us tremendously. We are very thankful for the team Hemworld.
If you are also planning to go ahead and increase your presence in this digital world, feel free to go ahead and contact Hemant. Thank you.
Thank you.